Good evening. My name is Abhishek Sunil. Today's date is 28 February 2024, and today's topic is method overriding in Java. Basically, method overriding in Java. This is the we can achieve method overriding by inheritance. Inheritance is a very important topic in Java. Basically, inheritance is a topic of OOPS concept, object-oriented programming language. In object-oriented programming language, everything seen as an object. The object-oriented programming language, inheritance means the child class inherited all properties and methods of parent class. It is known as a inheritance. If it is a relation, it's called is a relationship that is known as a inheritance. Inheritance, basically, through inheritance we can achieve a method overriding. Method overriding, basically, what is a method overriding? Method overriding is the concept that there is a same method name and same parameter. It is known as a inheritance. In inheritance, in method overriding, also known as a runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism and earlier binding. It is known as a late binding. Then static binding. It is known as a method overriding. Why method overriding used in Java? Because we can reuse the same code again and again. Then we cannot write same code again. In a method overriding, we can directly inherit all properties and methods of parent class. Then if you want to changes in parent class method, so that's why any implementation we want to update in parent class method, so that's why we can use method overriding in Java. Basically, we can override all methods of parent class. Then this is the concept of method overriding. Method overriding, the method overriding known as a runtime polymorphism. It is a polymorphism that we can perform single task in multiple ways. In that technique, in runtime polymorphism, the overridden method check in runtime. The basically example of method overriding is a class. We can create a two class, right? Then class product and class product, and we can create public static int method name and parameter int a and int b. Then return type int a plus b. Then second class we can create class delivery extend product. We can use extend keyword for inherited all details of all methods of parent class. Then we can create same method, public static int method name int a and int b, and return type also same. So then we can create object, then we can call the overridden method. And if you want to change in parent class method, so we can implement in child class. So basically, this is the example of method overriding. The most important concept of Java, method overriding and method overloading. So this all things about method overriding. Thank you.